I was doing my best, very cheerful. I knew she was worried about being late for her grandpa. Mr. Conductor, I should have been back by sunset. No, no. I had your grandpa at the desk. Because I rejected himself long ago. And he can't help it. I haven't talked to him in so well as we can I. I said you should be attention to traveled on the Magic Railroad. And if only we could find that, we still head back to Chinatown. Oh, that is never be seen or heard from again. I can tell you something. I've been praying my soul. It sounded like it was coming from the mountain. I just remembered another part of the clue. Soak up the magic in the mountain and the lake will swim. But we need more information. And I know that your grandpa